I'm Sir Unreal P. Tiatco. Alonzo Gabriel was my domestic partner when he was still alive. Sobrang in pain na siya at ayaw siyang pagdesisyonin ng doktor at ng mga nurses kung i-intubate ba siya. Doc, I'm the partner. Parang hindi man kami legal. You cannot deny the fact na ako ang partner niya.
You now have the right to provide care during hospitalization and the right to medical decision-making.
The right to care card. Right to care card.
The right to care card. House Bill 11005, requiring the recognition of healthcare proxies by all health facilities through the issuance of a right to care card by Representative Sendanya.
To the Committee on Health.
Medyo late na sa akin, late na kay Alonzo, pero hindi pa super late ito para sa mga ibang katulad namin.